Hi, and welcome to the series of videos where we're going to be looking at the various options that people have when it comes to exporting data from SurveyMonkey for analysis in SPSS. So if you have collected your data in SurveyMonkey and you're hoping to analyze it in SPSS, these videos should prove useful because for a start there's more than one option to export data from SurveyMonkey for analysis in third-party programs. And secondly, whichever option you choose, the data will probably still need some formatting work in SPSS, and we'll show you how to do that. And thirdly, to format the data for analysis in SPSS, some SurveyMonkey export options may demand a lot more time and effort than others. So let's take a quick look at the SurveyMonkey export options. First of all, you need to bear in mind that exporting responses as data is a paid feature. You won't be able to do this in the free version of SurveyMonkey. Secondly, there are two different types of plans. There are individual plans and team plans. In individual plans, the standard monthly plan does not support exporting data in an SPSS SAV format, only in CSV, XLS, PDF and PPT. If, however, you have the Advantage Annual or the Premier Annual individual plan, these both support exporting data in SPSS.SAV format. With regard to team plans, all of the team plans, including Team Advantage, Team Premier, and Enterprise, support exporting data in SPSS.SAV format. In order to export your data from SurveyMonkey for further analysis in another product, you're going to want to go to the Analyze Results section of the interface and then click on the Save As drop down, and then within that menu choose Export File and the All Responses Data option. This will export your data as a flat file like a spreadsheet. Clicking this will take you to the Export Survey Data dialog, where the first thing you can do is choose the file format that you want to export your data as, whether it be XLS or comma separated variables as a text file, CSV file, or as an SPSS file if you so wish. The next option is the data view, whether or not you want the current view exported or the original view. The current view means that if you've got any rules applied to it, such as a filter that's been applied to the data, it will export the data with the filter applied, whereas original view ignores any rules that are applied and will basically export the raw data with no filters, for example, applied. The next option is whether or not you want the columns represented in condensed or expanded format. We'll look at this in more detail, but suffice to say, for SPSS, analysis in SPSS, we thoroughly recommend that you stick to the condensed format. That's how SPSS expects single response variables to be represented. And next option, very important, whether or not you want the data represented as actual answer text or whether you want to use numeric codes to represent the data. We'll be looking at an example of the difference between these two options. And lastly, you're going to specify a file name. Now when you click export, what will happen is that a message will appear after a while saying your export is complete, and the export files will appear under the exports section, which is on the left hand side of the screen. We'll see an example of that where you can download that file. So these different options are what we're going to be exploring in the next 3 videos. So you can have a look at them and choose an option which works best for you.